Cottage color. Create a cozy vibe at home. When it comes to creating a cozy cottage vibe, the secret is not just in the furniture or decor, it's in the colors. The right palette can transform any space, turning it into a warm, inviting retreat that feels like a hug. So, if you're looking to give your home that dreamy rustic charm, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore the secret cottage color formula that will bring the perfect cozy vibe into your home, no matter the season. Ready to make your space feel like a snug getaway? Let's dive in. Soft neutrals are the cornerstone of any cottage-inspired color scheme. Think warm creams, light taupes, soft whites, and delicate grays. These shades lay the foundation for a serene and inviting atmosphere, offering the perfect backdrop for layering more vibrant accents. Soft neutrals have the ability to reflect light, making a space feel airy and open while still maintaining a sense of warmth and comfort. Choose shades with a hint of warmth. Creamy whites or light beige are better than stark whites, as they add a subtle richness to your home's vibe. When we think of cottages, we often imagine them nestled in lush, green surroundings. Incorporating earthy greens like sage, olive, or moss into your color palette brings the outside in, creating a calm and restorative atmosphere. These shades evoke the feeling of being in nature, surrounded by trees, gardens, and fresh air. Use green as an accent color for furniture, throws, or even accent walls. It pairs wonderfully with neutrals and can be used in smaller doses for a soothing effect. To enhance the cozy, rustic charm of your cottage, add in some rich, warm tones like terracotta, rusty orange, or soft brick red. These colors create a sense of comfort and coziness, perfect for cooler months. Warm tones are especially inviting in living areas and bedrooms, creating a soothing ambience for relaxation and unwinding after a long day. Mix terracotta or rust with neutral shades to avoid overpowering the space. A few terracotta vases or pillows can add just the right pop of color. When you imagine a peaceful cottage, there's often a calm blue sky or a serene ocean nearby. Soft blues, think dusty blues, powder blues, or light denim, add a tranquil touch to your space. They evoke a sense of peace and quiet, which is exactly the kind of vibe you want in your cottage-inspired home. Use blue tones in bedrooms or bathrooms to promote relaxation. These colors are known to reduce stress and create a calming environment. Before we continue with more tips on creating the perfect cottage space, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. We bring new design inspiration every week, so hit that subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment about your favorite cottage color. I'd love to hear what you think of these ideas. Now let's get back to the cozy details. While the classic cottage vibe is all about soft and subtle colors, a splash of bold, rustic red can be the perfect pop of personality. This color adds a sense of energy and charm, bringing life to a space without overwhelming it. It's particularly effective in kitchens or dining areas, where you want to create a warm, welcoming atmosphere. If you're hesitant about using red, start with small accents like throw pillows, curtains, or a red vase to add a touch of personality to your space. The key to a successful cottage color scheme is not just about picking the right shades, but layering them in a way that feels balanced. Use textures like linen, wool, and wood to enhance your color choices. For example, pairing soft neutral walls with a cozy wool throw in a green or rust shade creates depth and interest. Natural wood tones for furniture and accessories tie everything together, grounding the palette and adding warmth. Layer different textures in your fabrics and furniture to add richness without introducing too many competing colors. Think of soft linen curtains, a woolen blanket, and a rustic wood coffee table, all in the same harmonious color family. Yes, white can still be cozy. In a cottage home, it's not about a cold, clinical white, but a soft off-white or warm white that complements your other colors. Think of creamy whites or antique whites, which pair beautifully with your neutral, earthy, and warm tones. White is versatile, and when used right, it helps to balance out the richer, deeper shades in your color palette. White works as a neutral base and can help other colors pop. A white shiplap wall, for example, creates a stunning backdrop for any warm accent colors you choose. Once you've established your base colors, neutrals, greens, terracotta, blues, and reds, think about accent colors that will add depth and character to your space. Golds, brass, and copper metallics make for lovely accents, adding a little touch of luxury and warmth without feeling too bold. Floral patterns in soft hues or gingham prints can also add charm and personality. Don't overdo it with accents. A little goes a long way, so focus on key items like vintage light fixtures, lamps, or a statement rug. Creating a cozy cottage vibe is all about selecting a color palette that makes your space feel warm, inviting, and personal. Start with soft neutrals, then layer in greens, blues, and warm tones to bring your cottage dream to life. By balancing these shades with rich textures and thoughtful accents, you'll create a cozy, peaceful retreat that's perfect for unwinding and making memories. So, are you ready to give your home a cozy cottage makeover? Grab those paint samples and get started. If you love this color formula and want more cozy home inspiration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Your thoughts help us bring more tips to make your home even more beautiful. Stay cozy and happy decorating.